Hello. Well, this time I program a lamp, a desktop lamp. This lamp, let me show you. Sorry by my English, I'm not really good speaking English. I will try to explain me, okay? Well, this is a desktop lamp. Like you can see, there are a menu that you can turn off, turn on. This menu, let me make a zoom. Okay, that's it. This menu will show you numbers, so you can move the hotspots. For example, when you click on the lamp, you can see the hotspots in different places. The number one that is here in the base help you to turn around the lamp. The number two is the first arm, so you can turn. This is the number two. You can turn the first arm. There is a limitation in the back to avoid the braces, the arms cross over. So okay, sorry, when you move back you have a limit here exactly. Okay, let's put here. The number three is the second arm, equal like the first arm. There is a limit to move it from this side to the other side. You see, you can go back. Let me change to parallel projection because it's easier to move here. Make zooms. Okay, and then the number three is for the hood of the lamp. Number four, sorry, you can move from one side to another like in the real lamp. You can put here, or you can take it and go to other side like this. Let me go to the source elevation so you can see. Even here you can move the arms. This one too. And there is a number 5 button. The number 5 is to move the hood up and down. You can move here, or you can go to the south elevation and you can move here. And there is a number 6. This number 6 is the arm length. So when you change the length, both lengths change. This one and this another. So you can make a very small lamp like here, or a very large lamp like this. It's up to you. Okay, let me reduce to better size for me. Okay, so you can adjust the lamp any position you like it for your project, for your render, for your image. I need to design the spring object here and here to make it more realistic. By now This is my first version of the lamp. And when you finish, and when you learn how to use the dots, the hotspots, you can turn off right here, and so you only have the lamp. And in the plan, of course, you will have the correct projection. Let me turn to this side. Even you can write the angle by typing 0, for example. In this case, equals 0, for example, and these two. So you can go to the menu, and all the values are here in angles for this one, the length of the arm, and the base, the angle of the base, the materials. You can change material for these plates, or for the arms, or for the hood, or for the base. Let me show you. For example, I will change the base material for an orange one, and I will change the chain material of the plates for a black one. It's a classic lamp. And inside you will see a light bulb. Even you can change this material, for example, something unreal light blue, like this, or you can use this one. I like it. And that's it. I hope you like this lamp. Thanks for watching.